Economics of quality. Simply stated, quality control costs money. There are two main ingredients to this cost: the cost of skilled labor, equipment, material, methods, and supervision to produce quality outputs, the cost of monitoring and verifying the quality of output, and of correcting or replacing defective work. So the total quality is a combination of quality control and correction and the cost of construction. So this is that minimum cost that you have to pay when you add quality to your product. But if you produce poor quality goods, you still have to pay a cost. What is that cost? Prevention cost, build it right the first time. Appraisal cost, inspection and testing cost. Internal failure cost, scrap and rework cost. And external failure cost, warranty, claims, recalls, and the lost business. Preventive costs or prevention costs. These are planned costs an organization incurs to ensure that errors are not made at any stage during the delivery process of that product or service to a customer. The delivery process may include design, development, production, and shipping. For example, the quality planning costs, information system costs, education and training costs, quality administration staff costs, process control costs, market research costs, field testing costs, and preventive maintenance costs. The cost of preventing mistakes are always much lesser than the cost of inspection, and so you must always try and prevent rather than do the claims. Appraisal costs. These include the cost of verifying, checking, or evaluating a product or service during the delivery process. For example, internal production audit costs, test and inspection costs, instrument maintenance costs, supplier evaluation costs, and audit report costs. Failure costs. A company incurs these costs because the product or service did not meet the requirements and had to be fixed or replaced, or the service had to be repeated. These failure costs can be further subdivided into two groups. Internal failures. Internal failure includes all costs resulting from the failures found before the product or service reaches the customer. For example, scrap and rework costs, repair costs, and corrective action costs from non-conforming products or service. External failure. External failure occurs when the customer finds a failure. Examples are warranty claim costs, customer complaint costs, shipping costs, and customer follow-up costs. The total quality is a combination of prevention, appraisal, and failure. Reducing any of these reduces the total. Key to a minimum cost is striking correct balance between these three. Clearly, the prevention reduces both the appraisal and the failure cost. Eventually, cost of prevention itself starts to increase the total cost, and so must be controlled and set at an effective. It's always better to actually make sure before the product leaves your premises, it must have a good quality. मैं आपको आज की से बात करूँ. This is a store, सारे स्टोर्स में ऐसा होता है. अमेरिका के अंदर जब आप कस्टमर जाता है और वो फॉर एग्जांपल उनकी शेल्फ में से एक शर्ट उठाता है और though they are not allowed to open the shirt, but some customers do and you can't stop them. इतने ज़्यादा लोग तो होते नहीं है कि जो उन्हें रोक सके. वो आता है शर्ट को, पैक शर्ट को खोल देता है, ठीक है, खोल के देखता है, नापता शापता, उसे पसंद नहीं आती तो रखता है, वापस चला जाता है. Now one of the things that you could do was to take the shirt, repack it, and put it back on the. They don't do that. Now the quality of that packing has been affected. So what they do? They put that open shirt on the sale. Now what's the cost difference? जो $70 की शर्ट उस पैक उसमें पड़ी हुई थी, वो एक और जगह पे रिड्यूस कॉस्ट के साथ उसी स्टोर में एक कोने के अंदर पड़ी हुई है. अब ना उसकी कॉस्ट है $20. What is this? What is this?
Quality.
क्यों है? They want to make sure कि यार कोई ऐसी चीज़ ना हो कि क्योंकि वो मशीन्स में पैक होके आई हुई थी, अब इसे हाथ में पैक करना है, हाथ से पैक करना है, तो वो क्वालिटी वापस नहीं लेके आ सकेंगे पैकिंग की. एंड नाउ उसे वापस फैक्ट्री में सेंड करना और पैक करवा के वापस लाना विल कॉस्ट मोर मनी. जो ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ परचेज है वो $20 से भी कम है. they still sell it without profit at $20 in the shop. लेकिन वो $70 से शर्ट कम होके $20 की हो गई, they don't mind. ये है वो क्वालिटी कॉन्शियसनेस जो आपको आपका प्रोडक्ट बेचती है. So cost of conformance are prevention costs, build a quality product, training, document processes, equipment, time to do it right, and appraisal costs, assessing the quality, testing, destructive testing, loss, inspections. Money spent during the project to avoid the failures is the cost of conformance. Cost of non-conformance, if you don't do a good quality, then you have to pay internal failure cost, failures found by the project, rework and scrap, and external failure cost, failure found by the customer, liabilities, warranty works, and lost business. Money spent during and after the project because of failures. Example, trying to save a few project dollars by reducing the conformance cost could prove disastrous. For example, an American company won a contract as a supplier of the Japanese parts. The initial contract called for the delivery of 10,000 parts. During inspection testing at the customer's facility, 2 rejects were discovered. The Japanese returned all 10,000 components to the American supplier, stating that this batch was not acceptable. In this example, the non-conformance cost could easily be an order of magnitude greater than the conformance cost. The moral is clear: build it right the first time. So there are some savings, and the savings can go if you encounter external failures or internal failures. So therefore, always do the job so that your product is not. So basic quality functions are these: defects and rejects must be down, complaints must be down, consistency must be high, precision must be high, accuracy must be high, and variation must be down. What's the difference between precision and accuracy? In the field of science, engineering, industry, and statistics, the accuracy of a measurement system is the degree of closeness of the measurement of a quantity to that quantity's actual value. The precision of a measurement system, also called the reproducibility or repeatability, is the degree to which the repeated measurements under unchanged conditions show the same result. Although the two words reproducibility and repeatability can be synonymous in colloquial use, they are deliberately contrasted in the context of scientific methods. Hierarchy of quality. Hierarchy of quality follows the evolution of quality management from simple inspection. Actually, over the time, the meaning of quality changed, which we are showing over here as a hierarchy of quality. It started from inspection, after event screening, detection-based, quality control, introduction of basic systems, still detection-based, quality assurance, the development of complex system, prevention-based, and the total quality management, development of culture, people-based. So this is how things have changed. Activity, what's say in inspection? Activities such as measuring, examining, testing, or gauging one or more characteristics of an entity and comparing results with specified requirements in order to establish whether conformity is achieved for the characteristics or not is called inspection. Now, lowest level of quality development, key product characteristics examined compared to the known standards, and this is done after the event. Inspection will not provide any basis for process improvement. Okay, what's the difference between quality assurance, quality QC and QA? कितने लोग क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट्स में काम कर चुके हैं? नन। तो आप लोगों को क्वालिटी का कुछ पता नहीं, किसी प्रोजेक्ट में काम किया जिसमें क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस है, क्वालिटी क्यूसी हो?
प्रोडक्ट लेवल होती है, प्रोडक्ट एक दफ़ा बन जाए तो उसकी क्वालिटी, और क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस एक प्रोसेस होता है जो हर स्टेज पे आप श्योर करते हैं कि क्वालिटी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं।
बहुत अच्छी गप्पे मारते हो, किसी उसका मोर आर्ट्स का कुछ सब्जेक्ट लो। बच्चा किधर काम करता है? अल्लाह ही रहम करें प्रोजेक्ट्स। कोई पढ़ा लिखा आदमी क्लास में जिसको खाली क्वालिटी का कुछ पता हो थोड़ा बहुत? शायर कौन था यार यहाँ पे? There was a guy who said I'm a poet. हैं यार, जब भी मैं पूछता हूँ वो नहीं आता हैं? उसे शेर सुनने थे और वो नहीं आता क्लास में, ये तो बहुत बुरी बात है। उम्र के बाद तो शेर उसके सारे ख़त्म हो जाएंगे वैसे। फिर तो हमद और नात लिखे। अच्छा जी, चलें, इसका मतलब है क्लास में कोई पढ़ा लिखा आदमी नहीं है। पहले ही आपने मान लिया कि पढ़ा लिखा आदमी, मतलब इतना लेट पढ़ना शुरू किया थोड़ा पहले कर लेते तो सब लोगों के लिए आसानी होती। अच्छा जी, देयर इज़ अ डिस्टिंक्ट डिफरेंस। अब ये ज़रा मैं जो बात करने जा रहा हूँ ज़रा गौर से सुनिएगा। QA और QC में एक मेजर डिफरेंस है। पहले एक बताता चलूँ कि एक प्रोजेक्ट अगर चल रहा है तो उसमें कुछ लोग QA के होते हैं, कुछ लोग QC के होते हैं, ठीक? तो लेट्स से एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें टोटल लोग 500 हैं, तो उसमें क्वालिटी के कितने लोग होने चाहिए तकरीबन? 4? 10? 500 लोगों में 10 क्वालिटी के होने चाहिए। आप क्या कहते हैं? 25-30। ओके, और कोई? और कोई और गेस्ट नहीं? छोटा जी है कि मुसीबत पाती है क्वालिटी तो ये तो कंप्लीट होता है, तो इसका मतलब है क्वालिटी वाले बंदे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होने के बाद आते हैं बीच में।
हर एक प्रोसेस डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी आउटपुट कितनी है।
अच्छा चलो, मिसाल के तौर में इनकी बात मान लेता हूँ कि 20 लोग होते हैं। चलें, इनकी बात मान लेते हैं, चलो वक्ती तौर पे इनकी बात, पहली बात मान रहा हूँ आज इनकी एक बात मान लेंगे, चलो 20 लोग होते हैं। 20 में से कितने लोग QA के होने चाहिए और कितने QC के होने चाहिए? हैं? 50 क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस के होने चाहिए, बाकी 5 QC के होने हैं? ये बिल्कुल आप ऑपोजिट बता रहे हैं बस, और एब्सोल्युटली ऑपोजिट बता रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं है कि QC और QA में फ़र्क क्या है। तो इसलिए अच्छा, अब ज़रा सुन लीजिए गौर से, मेरी तरफ देख के ज़रा बात होगी। मेरी तरफ देखने से भी आपको पता है, आपको देखने से भी बहुत सारा नॉलेज गेन होता है, तो देख के ज़रा बात सुने। The major difference between QC and QA is that QC is all related to measurement. QC is all related. Anything which has to be measured is something to do with a QC. Anything which is policy related or standards related is QA. तो अगर 500 लोगों में 20 लोग क्वालिटी के डिपार्टमेंट के आपके हैं, तो उसमें से 15 से 17 लोग तक आपके QC होने चाहिए, और बाकी 2 से 3 या 4 लोग जो हैं वो आपके QA होने चाहिए। अब बात समझ आई? सो लेट्स, अब ये बात समझने के बाद आपके हर प्रोसेस के ऊपर QC का बंदा खड़ा होता है। जब प्रोसेस हो रहा होता है तो हर प्रोसेस के ऊपर, अगर 10 एक्टिविटी चल रही हैं तो हर एक्टिविटी के ऊपर आपका एक QC का बंदा खड़ा हुआ है एट ए टाइम। अगर कॉन्टिन्यूसली चल रही है तो आपका एक QC का बंदा उसके ऊपर होगा, ठीक है? और QA वाले दफ्तर में बैठ के ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, वो जनरली रिलेटेड टू ऑडिट्स होते हैं। QC वाले भी ऑडिट्स में शामिल होते हैं, लेकिन जनरली QA वाले जो हैं वो ज़्यादा ऑडिट्स में शामिल होते हैं। जनरली 2 किस्म के ऑडिट्स होते हैं। क्या होते हैं? नहीं सुना कभी ऑडिट्स? क्वालिटी ऑडिट सुने? दो ऑडिट्स होते हैं। एक ऑडिट होता है जिसे कहते हैं डेस्कटॉप ऑडिट, और दूसरा ऑडिट होता है जिसे कहते हैं प्रोसेस ऑडिट। ये 2 ऑडिट क्वालिटी के अंदर होते हैं, ठीक है? डेस्कटॉप ऑडिट में QA वाले ये देखते हैं कि क्या जो स्टैंडर्ड्स और प्रोसीजर्स थे, क्या उन डॉक्यूमेंट्स इनके पास पूरे हैं कि नहीं, और प्रोसेस ऑडिट में ये देखते हैं जो प्रोसेसेस डिफाइन किए गए थे क्या वो प्रोसेस फॉलो हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे। ठीक है, तो ये दो किस्म के ऑडिट से लोग करते हैं। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप लोगों में से फील्ड का तो वो बंदा ही कोई नहीं जिसने क्वालिटी के ऊपर काम किया हो, तो मुश्किल है ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझना जब तक कि आपने काम ना किया हो। ओके, डिफाइंड एज क्वालिटी कंट्रोल, operational techniques and activities that are used to fulfill the requirements for quality, developed from inspection of methods, systems and tools and techniques. More emphasis on feedback. Main mechanism will be inspection based. The second level of quality development, it will not improve the quality, just highlights when it is not present. In many cases QC does not identify the root cause of was quality assurance. Quality assurance includes all planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality system and demonstrated as needed to provide adequate confidence that an entity will fulfill the requirements. Quality assurance cover all the planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality system and demonstrated as needed. These are the major differences between quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance meant for developing, organizing the best quality process, and quality control meant for implementing the process developed by the former team, and assurance is the process related, and quality control is testing of the system, actual testing of the system. Assurance focuses on building in quality and hence preventing defects, and quality QC focuses on testing of quality and hence detecting defects, and assurance deals with the process and quality control deals with the product. Assurance makes sure that you are doing the right thing the right way, and QC makes sure that the results of what you have done are what you expected, and QA is preventive, and QC is corrective, and QA activities ensure that the process is defined and appropriate, and QC activities focus on finding defects in specified deliverables. For example, are the defined requirements the right requirements or not. Then what is total quality? Total quality means quality of work, quality of service, quality of information, quality of process, quality of organization, quality of people, quality of company, and quality of objective. So the concept of quality is now everything about the organization. Everything about the organization. It's not only the product. Everything about the organization is quality. Now, total quality management. TQM is a philosophy set of guiding principles that represent the foundation of a continuously improving organization. TQM is application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve the material and services supplied to an organization and all the processes within an organization and degree to which needs of the customer are met now and in the future. TQM represents the most advanced stage of quality development, a management philosophy, application of QM to all aspects of business, focused on the requirements of the customer, recognizing the importance of supplier, company-wide approach. So quality does not end within the premises of a factory or an organization. It goes even beyond the premises and goes to your subcons also. Right? Anything, all the stakeholders are included in your process of quality. The total quality describes the state of an organization in which all the activities of all functions are designed and carried out in such a way that all external customer requirements are met while reducing internal time and cost and enhancing the workplace climate. The profile of TQM is a scientific, systematic and company-wide activity in which a company is devoted to customers through its products and services. TQM approach to management, a unique blending of the objective, practical and quantitative aspects of management, for example, focus on processes and reliance on quantity data and statistical analysis for decision making, soft aspects of management, for example, providing visionary leadership, promoting a spirit of cooperation teamwork, and participative management. Many organizations, when deciding to undertake a TQM effort, focus on one of other of these general approaches. A fully successful effort requires balanced attention to both. All activities of the overall management functions that determine the quality policy, objectives and responsibilities and implement planning, quality control, quality assurance and quality improvement within the quality system. Quality policy, this is all the companies, they're supposed to have a quality policy of their own. This is one of the examples of a company with its quality policy. It says company XYZ provides quality management, coordination, manufacturing and installation services throughout the UK and sometimes abroad. The company has developed its expertise since its establishment, and its aim is to achieve a high standard of construction and service to its customer. If it is the policy of the company XYZ to provide the customer with goods and services to the agreed requirement in accordance with the details and price. The directors, management and staff are responsible for quality control through the quality management system, seeking improvement by constant review, with suppliers and subcons being encouraged to cooperate. The company is committed to achieving customer satisfaction by the use of quality procedures, which will be operated to meet or exceed the requirements of ISO 9001. This is quality policy of a company XYZ. This is how the quality policy of companies are written. Now see another example. Our quality policy is defined and strongly driven by the following management principles and behavior. Build a mutually profitable relation with our customers, ensuring their long-term success through the understanding of their needs and the needs of their customers as well. Achieve all commitments for quality, cost and schedule. Enhance the systematic research and use of the best preventive practices at all levels and ensure reliable risk management. Drive continual improvement and innovation based upon efficient business processes, well-defined measurements, best practices and customer service. Develop staff competencies, creative empowerment and accountability through appropriate development programs, and show strong management involvement and commitment. Company XYZ strives to be the best provider of inspection services in the industry. Through the use of these guiding principles, everyone in Company XYZ is accountable for fully satisfying our customers by meeting or exceeding their needs and expectations and best-in-class solutions and services. Our goal is 100% customer satisfaction 100% of the time. So this is a quality policy of another company. Now you have a home assignment, इनको नेट के ऊपर डाल दीजिएगा home assignment. Home assignment is to write down the quality policy of your company. Write down the quality policy of your company, right? Now, the quality activities changed over time. They started from QC, quality control, at the beginning of 1910 to 1920. Statistical quality control at the beginning of 50s. TQC, total quality control, at the beginning of 1960. And TQM, the total quality management, in the middle of 1960s in Japan, 80s in North America, and 90s in other places. This is how the quality evolved in Japan. Fitness to standards, to fitness to use, to fitness to cost, and to fitness to the other requirements. That means complete quality. This is the name of the quality challenges which changed from 1900 to 1980. Individual craftsmen to foremen to inspections to statistical control quality assurance, total quality control, and organization-wide total quality management. Some of the principal quality dimensions were performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, and perceived quality. What are these? Performance. Principal quality dimensions. Performance meant a product's primary operating characteristic, for example, a car's acceleration, braking, distance, steering, and handling. Features. The bells and whistles of a product. A car may have power options, a tape or a CD deck, anti-lock brakes, and reclining seats. Reliability, the probability of a product surviving over a specified period of time, understated conditions of use. A car's ability to start on cold days and frequency of failures are reliability factors. Conformance, the degree to which physical and performance characteristics of a product match pre-established standards. Cars fit and finish, freedom from the noises can reflect this. Durability, the amount of use one gets from a product before it physically deteriorates or until replacement is preferable. For cars, corrosion resistance and long wear of upholstery fabric. Serviceability, speed, courtesy, competence of repair work, auto owner access to spare parts. Aesthetics, how a product looks, feels, sounds, tastes or smells. Car's color, instrument panel, design and feel of road, and make aesthetically pleasing. Perceived quality, subjective assessment of a quality resulting from image, advertising or brand names. Car shaped by magazine reviews, manufacturer, brochures. Denotes the firm's ability to achieve market superiority, driven by the customer's needs and wants, provides value to the customer that competitors do not have, makes significant contribution to business success, and allows a firm to use its resource effectively. Competitive advantage, durability and dependability, difficult for others to copy, provides basis for future improvement, and provides direction and motivation to the organization. Customer-driven quality. In the 1980s, quality was defined as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to satisfy the given needs. A simpler, more powerful definition came up. Quality is meeting or exceeding the customer expectations. What good can quality do? It provides a competitive advantage, it reduces the cost, lesser returns, rework and scrap, increases the productivity and profits, generates satisfied customers, no quality, no sales, no profits, and no profits, no jobs. This is that quality assurance PDCA, which is plan, what is needed, do, carry out the small changes, check, audit what has already occurred, in action, what have you learned from there. So you keep going when you're developing a product, you keep going through this Deming's PDCA cycle. Deming's dreadful disease. First, looking elsewhere for examples or concluding that our problems are different. Creative accounting rather than commitment. Management's failure to delegate responsibility. The employees or unions cause all the problems. Quality can be assured by inspection. False starts. No organization-wide commitment. So this is the difference between the Deming's approach and the conventional wisdom. Quality is in meeting conformance standards. Quality is an intangible good. Where Deming's approach says quality is meeting and exceeding customer expectations. Quality is defined by the customer. Finding and fixing problems result in improvements which may or may not be sustainable. Deming says that making changes to the system to prevent problems results in the sustainable improvements. Effectiveness and efficiency are achieved by meeting acceptable defect standards, and Deming says effectiveness and efficiency are achieved by continually improving. The conventional wisdom is that crisis management is the dominant management mode, and Deming says that preventive management is the right mode. The conventional wisdom says performance standards and quotas improve the productivity, and Deming says that changes in the process improve the productivity. Decisions are made by the superior, decisions are made through collaboration between staff and management. Top management evaluates the organization on financial performance. Top management focuses on process performance and customer satisfaction as well as on financial performance. Process improvement is expensive. Process improvement leads to the lower cost. Only managers are capable of identifying and making. Deming says the workers know the process best and will suggest excellent ways to improve it when given a chance. The conventional wisdom says that managers command functions and are concerned with directing and controlling, and Deming says the team leaders guide cross-functional improvements teams and are concerned with planning and prevention. Employees receive instruction and information from above as deemed appropriate by the management. Management shares information with employees on a routine basis and on request. Leadership for an improvement effort can be delegated to outside experts. Leadership for an improvement effort is provided by executives within the organization who are accountable for results. Reviews are necessary only when things go wrong, and regularly scheduled performance improvement reviews are a key to improved processes. So you have to. This is a manager who fails to provide the resource and time for prevention activities is practicing the false economy. So this is prevention, and here's quality, and you want the quality to go up, you must be able to prevent at the right time. Quality is free. According to Crosby, quality is not only free, it is a profit maker. Increase of 5% to 10% in profitability by concentrating on quality. Quality provides a lot of money for free. Quality is never an accident, it's always the result of an intelligent effort. John Ruskin. That's it. Thank you very much. We have one more class left before.
This is second class.
The last class? We have one more class left for makeup. So let's not do a makeup class. Because if we do a makeup class, then you will not be able to go through that before the exam. So we'll do the makeup class after the midterm.